What's up guys, welcome back to Carfix Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to fix sun damage on a car without adding a new paint or clear coat, just like the owner requested. We're going to restore the surface using the simplest tools all at home in just 4 easy steps. First, we have to wash the car. It's too simple for being in a step, so step 1 starts right after we wash the car. First, we'll start with 1500 grit sandpaper. Sand the entire surface gently to remove top layer of oxidized clear coat. This is going to even out the surface and prepare it for polishing. Next, we move to 2500 grit sandpaper. This smooths the surface even further and helps remove scratches left from the first sanding. Now we need a heavy cut polish, a rotary machine, and of course a wool pad. I want to test out the polish on this section to see if it's suitable for this paint. I will start the rotary on a low speed like 1 or 2. Now I gently spread the polish on the section. After the polish nicely spread on the section, I'll bump the speed up to 3 or 4 and go over it again. Looks like this polish works great, so we use it for entire surface. Using this method, we have to polish the whole ride. Some areas still show deeper sun damage where the clear coat is completely gone. We lightly sanded them, some improved, but a few remains visible. Since the owner doesn't want new paint or clear, we stop right here. Later I will drop a full tutorial on how to restore areas where the clear coat is completely gone, so stay tuned for that. This is best you can do without repaint or re-clear the panel. Finish with an orbital polisher using a soft pad. Add a bit of polish and a touch of wax for extra shine. You can use any kind of standard final polish you want. Be patient and cover all areas evenly. That's it. The paint is smooth, the shine is restored, and the sunburned areas are improved as much as safely possible. Not perfect in all areas, but a big improvement without touching the factory paint. Now that the paint is revived, it's the perfect time to apply a ceramic coating, and I've got a full tutorial for that in this video up here. Except for the two spots on the roof where the clear coat was gone, the rest of the car's paint was fully restored. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to our channel.